Welcome to ShipKit by Nextools. In this video, you'll learn how to create your first dynamic shipping rate and start controlling how shipping costs are calculated at checkout. Quick heads up, switch to HD for the best view and hit subscribe so you never miss our tutorials. After installing ShipKit, open the app from your Shopify admin, go to the billing section and subscribe to the plan that best suits your needs. Only after the subscription is active can you create your first automation. In this video, we will create 2 shipping fees, one for orders over 5 kilo and one for orders under 5 kilo. From the main dashboard, go to the Rates section. This is where all your dynamic shipping rules are managed. Click on Create Rate to start. This opens a pop-up where you need to choose Visual Flow Builder, which brings you to the rate configuration panel. Here you define when the shipping rate applies and how much it costs. First, enter a name for the rate. This name is only for internal use and helps you recognize the rule later, but it is mandatory to save the rule. You have one big window where you will build and visualize your rule created with the flow system and a summary panel on the right where you can define some attributes of the rule. Mainly, it will reflect the configuration of your rule. Next, access the edit area where you are going to create the dynamic logic for your dynamic rate. To edit, you have 2 options, one here in the corner using this button, or here in the bottom left corner using this pen. Now we are in the flow dashboard, and we can create the logic we want. If you click on the first node, you will have a menu opening on this side. Now, let's define the conditions. Click on this icon here, and from this menu, you can select what type of condition to use, condition or switch. For this example, we are going to use condition. After we create the node, we can now click on it and set it up in the right menu. In the window, we need to click here on Rule. This will add a drop-down menu where we can choose what type of validator we want. Let's select Cart Total and then set it to greater than 0. This will verify if the cart contains at least one product. The and or buttons are needed in case you want to use multiple conditions in the same node, and you can decide if they need to be working together or independently. Now we add a second condition, but only when the first condition is true. In the menu of this new node, we select the rule Order Weight, and we are going to define when it is greater than or equal to 5 kilo. Perfect. Now we are going to set 2 outputs, one for the true and one for the false option, offering 2 different options. When it is true, we create a shipping rate of $15. Click on Result, and a shipping rate node will be created. Click on it and let's set the rate. Now we can give a name to the rate here, like Special Shipping over 5 kilos. Then we can set the status in our case, Enabled. Add a description to help our customers with more details about this fee, like Special Fee for orders over 5 kilos. We define the type of rate if it's fixed, percentage, or also if we want to add a price per unit of products in the cart. And finally, we add the price in our example. We set a fixed amount of 15 on. Now let's set the rate for when the order is under 5 kilos. From this node, we create a result node on the false output, and we are going to set a fee of $5 for all orders that are under 5 kilos, and we will call this fee Standard Shipping. Perfect. Now hit the Save button, and the new fees are ready. Now you can hit the X button here, and you will be back on the summary page of this fee. The dynamic shipping rate is now active and will be evaluated in real time during checkout. Let's test this in our store. Let's add this product that weighs 2.5 kilos to the cart and reach the checkout. As you can see, we have only the standard shipping as the dynamic rate. But if we add one more of this product and reach a total of 5 kilo of total weight and then go back to the checkout, now we see only the special shipping of 15. With a few simple clicks, you've just created your first dynamic shipping rate with ShipKit offering 2 dynamic rates based on the weight of the cart without any code and in less than 5 minutes. That's how easy and quick it is to create and offer special fees for your customers with ShipKit. Don't waste any more time, start creating rules that actually work for your business. And don't forget to subscribe. We're dropping new tutorials every week that'll help you get even more from your Shopify store.